G'day, guys. If you happen to live just outside of LA, near Disneyland, or anywhere in Southern California, you and I have an opportunity to maybe meet each other as I'm hosting two BELMO experiences. The first is at Cow Bowl on the 7th of September, and the second is at Oak Tree Lanes on the 8th. And if you're not sure what a BELMO experience is, well, it's basically a huge pro-am where I come and bowl with you, take photos with you, sign autographs for you. You guys can ask me a bunch of questions, but overall, it is just an incredibly fun day. So if that sounds something that you would like or someone that you know, please head over to proapproachbowling.com to get your tickets, because I know they are going fast. So please head over there soon, because I would love to see you at either Cow Bowl on the 7th of September or Oak Tree Lanes on the 8th. BELMO Experience is running back in Southern California, and I can't wait to be there. Hope to see you there. Be good. Peace.